Take out the machine and its accessories. Use screwdriver to install the holders at the 3 sides of the machine. There are 2 spare fuses, which can replace a blown one in the machine when necessary. When the fuse is blown, use a screwdriver to take it out, and then install a spare one in the machine. Install filter. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the IRF handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Put all handpieces into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. After all are connected properly, press the power switch to start the machine, and then the welcome interface will appear. What follows is the function selection interface. Choose function based on your needs. Choose IRF function. Set parameters. Time range 0 to 60 minutes. 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. Mode selection. There are NOR and Pro modes available. NOR mode is recommended for first-time users. Apply dedicated gel or essence evenly to the target area before treatment. NOR fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches the preset level after the start button is pressed. Pro smart mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after the start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Choose phase RF function. Set parameters. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 37 energy level is recommended. Mode selection. There are NOR and Pro modes available like IRF function. NOR mode is recommended for first-time users. Choose body vacuum and RF function. Set parameters for RF function. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 3 to 7 energy level is recommended. NOR mode is recommended. You can set the suction time and the release time manually. Suction time range 0 to 2, 0.3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range 0 to 2, 0.1 to 0.8 is recommended. Suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment, and when suction time is 0, the handpiece is at a status of constant suction. Apply essential oil to the target area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. There is a knob for adjusting suction level on the top of the machine. Adjust it based on individual endurance. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Choose 40K function. Set parameters. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Thread 7 and its level is recommended. Mode 1 is recommended. Apply dedicated gel or essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Mode 1 is constant working mode, suitable for those who have thick fat accumulation and need to reduce fat. Mode 2 is discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones, so no treatment on back and chest. Choose body RF function. Set parameters. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. 37 and its level is recommended. Mode selection. There are NOR and Pro modes available like IRF function. NOR mode is recommended for first-time users. Choose hot and cold function. 2 modes available, cold mode and hot mode. 5 to 10 minutes on each area is recommended. 37 and its level is recommended, and cold mode is recommended. Choose bio function. 5 to 10 minutes on each area is recommended. 37 and its level is recommended. Mode selection. There are 2 modes available. Mode 1, low frequency electric current. Mode 2, high frequency electric current. Adjust its level based on individual endurance. Those who are sensitive to electric current are not recommended to use this handpiece. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave, light with a certain color flashes. Mode or on, change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light. Auto, lights with multiple colors flash cyclically. Off, turn off the light. Red light can help with skin firming and anti-aging. Blue light can help kill bacteria and relieve acne. Green light can help calm and repair skin. Yellow light can help fade spots and brighten skin. Purple light can help remove acne scars. White light can help regulate the graze secretion. Turquoise light can help promote metabolism. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.